All right, so I applied for an SBA loan. I was watching Donald Trump on YouTube, and he said, go over there, apply for the economic disaster loan. I own a small business. Maybe you do too. Maybe you feel like your business is too small. I don't think so. From looking on here, you see 500 to 5.5 million. I gotta tell you, it was pretty easy. I actually, this is like, see, applicant individual sole proprietorship. I just put that and my social security number on there. I just put in my details on how much money I make online. It was really straightforward. I don't know really what else to tell you, but I would make sure you're on this here. I'm going to try to, I don't know if I can even move the frame, but you're going to want to make sure you're on actual the SBA.gov. I want you to make sure you're on that. There's loads of fucking scams out there, and I'd hate to see anybody get scammed when they're trying to do this. I'm pretty green about this stuff, but these are for people that have been impacted, and I've been impacted like a motherfucker, so we'll see what happens. Thanks again for watching. Have a good day.